How to see all group chats on Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And now if you see there is no option for groups, however, if you scroll down and refresh the page, you will see the option for all, unread, and groups. Tap on the groups option and you will be able to see all the groups in your account. So go ahead and scroll through and find the group that you are looking forward to, or you can also tap on the three dots you see there and then tap on the select chats option. Now go ahead and select the chats and you can mark them as unread or archive or delete the chats at once. So this is how you can see all group chats on Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.